Welcome friends to the Client Solotech YouTube channel. In this online basic computer course series, our topic is today about Task Manager. So to open Task Manager, click on the taskbar first. Let's see. Now, this is Task Manager. Here you can see fewer details if you are opening it first time, and when you click on more details, it will show you all of the application and background processes running currently on your computer or any computer. So what is Task Manager actually? Task Manager is a feature or function of Microsoft Windows in which you can see running process, performance of your computer, apps history, startup programs, user details, how many users are using it, and details of all of the exe file that are running currently in the computer and all of the services. So in simple words, we can see task mean work, ongoing process, standard programs, and manager mean management, operations, operation management, reporting, and monitoring. So all these, it's called task manager. So in simplest definition, we can say that task manager is used to monitor, manage, and report currently operational works, applications, and services, and many other. So let's understand it in more details. So let's open it again. Right click on the task manager, taskbar, and then click on task manager. You will see this type of dialog box or window. So now we can see the processes. Those are currently running apps. The one is task manager and the other is my recording application. And if I open another application, here I have opened it, and now I am going to see it again. Now here are three. So we can see how many applications are running currently. Now along with that, we can also see how much memory CPU power is consumed by any certain application. For example, this application consuming 5.2 to 10.10% as per the processing, and task manager is currently using 0.6. If I drag mouse, or if I just restore it little bit and just type here, if you type, you can see that the processing. So you can see the fluctuation between the CPU, total processor utilization across all cores. How many cores is used by CPU in this process? So we can see here, and the below you can see background process. These are the background processes currently running in your system. So here are 63 processes, and the CPU power used in this you can see here, and also the memory, how much memory is consumed. Memory, RAM, random access memory, kitna, how much it is going used by any application, you can see it here. And similarly your graphic engine. In performance, you can see how your CPU is performing overall in all the open program, how much it's using, and you can see everything here. Your memory, how much is your memory is consuming. For example, if I run Microsoft Edge, now you can see this line is going up. and if I run any other program or website, now again you can see it's going up. And if I open it, you can also learn more about Task Manager. Here I have written in complete details. So you can see the line is going up, and if I open another application, let's open Google Chrome and let's open another website or any other program. Now CPU is consuming 15%, 51, and it was 80%. And with the speed, every detail of your physical component that is installed in computer, that is running currently, and your Wi-Fi, SSD, and your graphic, everything, every detail of your performance of your physical components of computer is here. And here you can see the third option about app history. How much time CPU is investing on input and output of these operation. For example, how much time it takes for CPU. If you move your mouse pointer to this option, you can see amount of time spent by the CPU executing instruction. How much time CPU invested to receive the inputs of the user in this application and processing output. And you can also delete this user history. Not only that, you can also close all of the application from here. It's not the exact commonly method to use, but if your computer is hanged or it's getting slow, and if you want to know what application or what things causing your computer to run slow, you can see here your performance of your CPU, memory, and every detail here about your internet connection, graphic. And it's also very handy or useful when you are buying new computer or second hand computer. And here the fourth option is startup. These are the by default programs while installed or in Windows. When Windows start, these program start along with Windows. So you can set up new program also, and you can also delete, disable them if your computer is taking time to load or load Windows. Here you can see users. Currently here are two users. This is tutorial account that I am using currently, and this is another account I am disconnected. So how many user you are currently in your system, you can see here. For example, you can create a kid account for your kids, a separate account, and you can so that they can use, and you can also monitor how many application they are running in their user account, under their user account. And the next is about the details. These are all the exe file. These all are the software and services file, exe file, that is currently running in your system. And you can see everything, every detail of performance and how much memory is they are consuming. And this is about services. These all are the services of hardware and software that enabling your computer to run. If you disable these services or stop them, your computer will not work the same way it is currently working. Or if you stop these services without proper information, then it's not a good practice. So always use this option with proper awareness. And this function is very important. Process and performance and app history, mostly these two are very important in Task Manager to understand. So I hope you find some useful info in this video, and in complete details and everything about the Windows Task Manager I have written here, and you can read it once, and you will get everything. Each of thing is shared here, and 1 to 5, and these are the 7 things that you can do in Task Manager, and everything is written in details. So I hope this video is very useful for you. Find this article link in the description. Thank you very much.